Here I have NOKIA G60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, go to settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you just have to enable information, device name, and here you can select which watermark you want to enable. So let's pick this one, and now from now on every photo you take will be look like this with the watermark like this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.